Are you ready to unlock the ultimate growth hack for your business? Welcome entrepreneurs and marketers. Thank you for joining Rubedo AI, and I'm Alvin Minassian. And today we're about to unveil a game-changing opportunity that can transform your business strategy. Imagine having access to a daily influx of 100,000 new company domains, complete with emails, contacts, and more. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this treasure trove of data and show you how it can supercharge your growth, whether you're in marketing, sales, or any other industry. Stay tuned because this is the game changer you won't want to miss. The power of fresh leads. Now let's talk about why new companies in particular can be some of the most lucrative prospects. Picture this: emerging businesses are like young saplings in a forest. They're full of potential, eager to establish their presence, and actively seeking products or services to help them grow. As a business, tapping into this segment means you can offer solutions that align with their fresh needs and ambitions. By getting in early, you can establish long-lasting relationships with these companies, potentially turning them into loyal customers, sources of data. First things first, let's get transparent about the origins of this data. You might be wondering, where do we get this daily influx of information about new company domains, emails, and contacts? Well, we've got the answer. We're going to walk you through the sources and methods used to gather this invaluable data. Knowing this will give you confidence in the accuracy and reliability in the information you'll be working with. But here's the thing, ethical considerations and legality are absolutely paramount when it comes to data usage. We're committed to ensuring that you understand not only where the data comes from, but also how to use it in an ethical and responsible manner. Because let's face it, in the world of data, ethics and legality are not just buzzwords. They're the foundation upon which we build trust and credibility. But it's not just about having this data, it's about knowing how to use it effectively. Discover how each of these data fields can be harnessed for different business purposes, giving you a competitive edge. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or any other industry, understanding how to leverage these data fields is the key to unlocking your business' full potential. We've scoured the web and tested various tools to find the best ones that can help you access the goldmine of information. Now, whether you're looking for data, domain data, emails, and contacts, we've got you covered with a tool that will streamline your efforts and save you precious time. First things first, log into your Rubedo AI account. It's free to access. Log in and you can access its incredible features. Once you're in, you'll find a variety of menus and features to explore. Here you can see all the menus and features that Rubedo AI offers. But today, we'll focus on one fantastic tool, download new companies registered. This tool will streamline the process of loading new leads for your marketing campaigns. Now simply click on download new companies registered and Rubedo AI will start loading leads for you. I mean, it's that easy. Now let's talk about what makes this feature so remarkable. With this option, you can download new domains, email addresses, and even cell phones and landline phone numbers. It's an all-in-one solution for your lead generation needs. You can easily add these leads directly to your email list right here in within the software Rubedo AI, making it incredibly convenient. But that's not all. You also have the option to download the entire list. Now, whether you want to make some cold calls or perform email validation with a third-party system, Rubedo AI has you covered. The best part, it's all incredibly user-friendly. If you're not a tech guru, you can use Rubedo AI to get the leads you need for your marketing campaigns effortlessly. So what are you waiting for? It's your turn to supercharge your lead generation efforts with Rubedo AI. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual lead sourcing and welcome a new era of efficiency. Now, what sets Rubedo AI apart is its ability to capture all these new companies created on the internet and transform them into a treasure trove of leads. Imagine having access to a continuous stream of 100,000 fresh leads a day. Whether you're in the business of selling SEO services, marketing solutions, WordPress websites, development services, or content creation, this tool is your secret weapon. With Rubedo AI, not only do you save precious time, but you supercharge your lead generation efforts like never before. Say goodbye to manual data hunting and hello to streamlined, efficient process that will propel your business forward. Don't miss out on the game changer. Explore Rubedo AI today, leveraging fresh leads for marketing success. Now, one of our current longtime clients, which is a marketing agency out of California, they use fresh leads data to transform their marketing strategies and achieve remarkable success in the competitive digital landscape. They access 100,000 plus daily new company domains with contact info and turn it into a strategic asset. Their approach included precise targeting, personalized messaging, timely outreach, and SEO optimization. The results? Increased conversions, client retention, SEO performance, and operational efficiency on accessing 100,000 or more companies' domains daily. First and foremost, you now understand the incredible potential for growth that lies in harnessing this vast pool of data. Now, whether you're in marketing, sales, or any other field, having access to fresh daily leads can be a game changer for your business strategy. Fresh leads can breathe new life into your outreach efforts, offering you untapped markets and eager customers. But before we part ways, a small favor to ask: if you found this video valuable, don't forget to show your support. Hit that like button and let us know you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and more importantly, share the video with your network. But that's not all. We're eager to hear from you. Your experiences and success stories matter. Did you implement any of the strategies that we discussed? Share your insights, challenges, and victories in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of discovery. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, take care.